Health. If you have a serious accident while in the USA, emergency medical service will get to you quickly and charge you later. For emergencies or ambulances, dial 911, the nationwide emergency number. Should you need to see your doctor, consult the Yellow Pages telephone directory under clinics or physicians and surgeons. The basic consultation fee is $50 to $100 payable in advance. Tests, X-rays, etc. are much more. Medications are not cheap either. Keep all your receipts for later claims on your insurance policy. Foreign visitors should bear in mind that many pills available over the counter at home. Most Korean-based painkillers, for example, require a prescription in the USA. Local brands' name can be confusing. Ask for advice at the pharmacy in any drugstore. In general, inoculations are not required for entry to the USA. Medical resources for travelers. CDC official US government travel health site. International Society for Travel Medicines, full listing of travel health clinics. Insurance. In view of the high cost of medical care in the USA, all travelers visiting from overseas should be sure to buy some form of travel insurance. American and Canadian citizens should check that they are already covered. Some homeowners or renters policies are valid on holiday, and credit cards such as American Express often include some medical or other insurance. While most Canadians are covered for medical mishaps overseas by their provincial health plans. If you only need trip cancellation interruption coverage. If you only need trip cancellation interruption coverage to supplement your existing plan, this is generally available at a cost of about 6% of the trip value. Internet. With most American homes now online, cyber cafes where you can get plugged in for around $3 to $5 an hour on a terminal in the cafe are not as common as they were. Most hotels and many coffee shops offer free Wi-Fi for guests, and nearly all public libraries provide free internet access, but often there is a wait and machine time is limited. A useful website, Kopla.com, has information on how to plug in a laptop when abroad, as well as handy worldwide communications info. For unlimited Wi-Fi on the go wishlist traveling the USA, buy a Skyroam Solis, which works in 130 plus countries at one flat daily rate. Paid for on a pay-as-you-go basis, you can connect up to 5 devices at once. Prices start from as little as $6 a day. Mail. Post offices are usually open Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 9 a.m. to noon. And there are blue mail boxes on many street corners. At time of publications, first-class mail within the USA costs $46 for a letter weight up to 28 gram and once. $1.10 for the rest of the world. Air mail between the USA and Europe may take a week. In the USA, the last line of the address includes the city or towns and an abbreviation denoting the state. CA for California, TX for Texas, for example. The last line also includes a 5-digit number, the zip code, denoting the local post office. It is very important to include this, though the additional 4 digits that you will sometimes see appended are not essential. You can check zip codes on the US Postal Service website at usps.com. Rules on sending parcels are very rigid. Package must be special containers bought from post offices and sealed according to their instructions, which are given at the start of the Yellow Pages. To send anything out of the country, you will need a green customs declaration form available from a post office. Maps. The free road maps distributed by each state through its tourist office and welcome centers are usually fine for general driving and road planning. Rand McNally maps for each state bounding together, the Rand McNally Road Atlas, and you are apt to find even cheaper state and regional maps at practically any petrol station along the major highways for around $3 to $7. Britain's best source for maps is Stanford's at 12 to 14 Long Acre, London. WC2E which also has a mail order service. The American Automobile Association, or AAA, provides free maps and assistance to its members as well as to British members of the AAA and RAC. Call the main number to get the location of a branch near you. Bring your membership card or at least a copy of your membership number. If you are after really detailed maps that go far beyond the usual fold out, try Thomas Guides. Highly detailed park, woodlands, and topographical maps are available through the Bureau of Land Management for the West, BLM.Government, and for the entire country through the Forest Services. The best supplier of detailed, large format map books for the travel through the American backcountry is Benchmark Maps. Benchmarkmaps.com, whose elegant